Hey y'all, it's Alicia of Golden Endurance Artistry, and I am back today. I'm gonna do a quick video on how to make some eggnog vanilla chai. So like I said in my previous video that I would be coming in doing some more homey type things, some DIY projects, some cooking videos. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients that you need to make this drink. And one other thing, this is my first time using eggnog with it. Eggnog mixed into it, so we shall see how it turns out, but stay tuned. Oh gosh, if you hear that, that's my husband in the background. He's such a mess. All right, I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients that you need. All right, so I'm over here on the stove and have put the, got some water going. So I'm gonna wait until that comes to a boil. That's maybe about a cup or 2 cups. And then you're gonna need some chai. This one I'm using Twinings French vanilla chai. And yes, so when it does come to a boil, you're gonna let it steep for 4 to 6 minutes. So you need your chai tea. You're also gonna need your spices. So I have some cinnamon sticks, I have some nutmeg, and I have some ginger. And I'm gonna also throw in some cloves just for a little extra something. And I picked up some Southern Comfort eggnog. All right, so and today's candle is Safari Dry. So this is from my personal collection. So these jars have been discontinued on their site, and they have been updated to some new jars, which I'll show you. And also, I got my little lip smoothie there. So Safari Drive, that is a sandalwood and patchouli scent, nice warm and toasty scent. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So these are the updated vessels. There you go. So earthy, Africa, open air, wild, and you get 80+ hour burn time with that. So with the double wicks, they definitely burn evenly and get a lot more use out of your candles. And guys, like I say, Golden Endurance Artistry is all about creating a mini getaway. And many of us are at home, but I found this really cute mug at Target. Good day for vacay, and girl, that's every day. So find you a nice mug that you just love, and you know, just do your thing, relax. All right, so the water has come to a boil, and I'm gonna add 4 tea bags, and I'm gonna let that steep. One, oh yes, I can already smell it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1 cinnamon stick. Actually, I'm gonna do 2. So I got 2 cinnamon sticks in there. And then I'm gonna add in some cloves, maybe just like a teaspoon or so. Let me open this. Just so you get all the nice spice, and this is just so perfect for, so I think there's about 4 cloves in there. But this is just so perfect for the winter, the fall time. We want just something nice and warm and cozy. Okay, so it has finished steeping, and it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tea bags. Just gonna give it a really good stir. And got the cinnamon sticks there. and the cloves. All right, ahead and got my ladle, and I'm just pour some in my mug. That there. About 3. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the eggnog. Okay. Give it a good shake. So pour that in there, give it a nice stir. And so I did have the idea maybe to boil the eggnog first, but I'm like, no, maybe I'll try that next time, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of ginger, just a little bit. Cardamom, I was trying to look for cardamom in the store, and obviously, you know, that's a nice spicy, warm type of spice right now. And it was sold out. I could not find any. Well, no, I take that back. I did find some, but it was like $20 because I believe it was like organic or whatever. And I was like, no, that's okay. So I added the nutmeg, the cinnamon, some ginger. Give it a nice stir. Then you can also add some Cool Whip on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little. Ooh, that was more than a dollop, my bad. Okay. So let's go ahead. Interesting. Let's see. I forgot to add sugar. So it does taste good, but it needs some sweetness added to it. So let me add some sugar. I'm not gonna add too much. But I completely forgot it. And really, you know, that's too much. Really need to cut back on sugar anyway, but it does taste good without the sugar. Oh, that's good. Oh. This is so good. What does that call for? You want yours now? Oh. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this quick little video on making some eggnog vanilla chai. If you have any questions, let me know in the question box below, or any suggestions on how maybe I can do the chai. If you make it differently, let me know any suggestions because that'd be helpful. But anywho, I will see you on the next video. Until then, stay golden. Bye.